But it's not every police is crooked. It's not every police have bad intention. Not every police is gonna try to shoot somebody or, you know what I'm saying? So it's again, same kind of thing.
I mean, in Jamaica, you think it's different than what happens in America in terms of the relationship between the police and poor people?
If it's different,
Is it different?
Yeah,
or is
man.
it pretty much the same?
right, different.
How?
It's how?
Yeah. How?
Jamaica more intense.
Explain.
More people get killed like that in Jamaica than here.
By the police.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Why do you think that is?
Again, third world country, kind of violence what we are deal with. Not being held accountable. You know what I mean? Just our justice system and, just not being held accountable and stuff like that.
Right, because I remember when I was DJing for Barrington, and we were going to the show, and we had police escorts essentially taking us to the show. So I'm talking to the cop, and I said, "Have you ever been in any shootouts?" He said, "I get into shootouts every day." You know what I mean? He started laughing at me. He said, "Of course I get into shootouts.
Yeah, of course.
All the time." Whereas you talk to an American cop, maybe one in his career. You know what I mean?
No, Jamaican cop in a whole heap of shootout, man.
Always a shootout.
Yeah.
What's the level of corruption you think with the police in Jamaica?
High. That's like there's a song on the album I'm talking about, this Caution, where I'm even saying that you have to be careful how society has to be careful that the police and the criminals become friends. Both of them come from poor. You don't really have no rich police in Jamaica off of police work. If a policeman have a money in Jamaica,
They're robbing
you
criminals.
rig the system somehow. You know what I say? That's the only way. It's survival. You can't even blame a man. It's survival. You know what I mean? So for years, even in Jamaica, now herb is decriminalized in Jamaica. So a man can't really lock you up for a joint as once upon a time. But before that, a police catch you with a spliff, you give him a money and him let you off. And that work out better for everybody because at least him have a little pocket can go feed him family too. You know what I mean? And you don't go to jail.
Okay. Well, because, I mean, now, from what I understand, if you get caught with a small amount, it's just a small fine, and then